Hello everyone, it's Izzy here. Good afternoon. So I went ahead and soldered in the new, by the way, it's called a super capacitor, okay? They come round, they come square, they come like in little tubes. This one happens to be a square, and it's used they use it to hold memory on the board, okay? So anyways, I went ahead, went out and got myself a new capacitor, put it in, and resoldered it. You know, I should have showed you guys how to do that, but if you're working with this type of project, you should already know how to, you know, solder a capacitor, how to do that kind of stuff. But anyways, and while we're talking about that, please be very, very careful when you're working with capacitors, because they do hold a charge, and the bigger they are, the more power, you know, more punch that they pack. And if you're not careful, it can kill you, you know. So just be very, very careful, okay? So with no further ado, I want to go ahead and flip the camera around. I'm having problems flipping the camera around. I don't know what's been going on. Okay, there we go. So here we have the TV, and I plugged it in, you know. And I'm using a regular TV antenna, which basically picks up local channels, because this is the kitchen. And, you know, why would you need cable? That's the way I see it. So we just watch local channel while we're having break. Anyways, the blue light is on, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button. Okay, and there's the screen, which before we were getting that screen, the only thing was that the TV wouldn't come on. Now let's see if it comes on. So wait a second, and there you have it. Okay, so another successful job done and completed. Okay, so if you like, I left on part one, I left in the notes the parts, you know, the name of the parts, and in the description. So, and in this one, I'll just put any other helpful information that I could think of. So basically, that's it. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments or concerns or anything, leave them down below. Please hit the subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up. You know, give me a like if you like the video. Okay. Other than that, have a great day, and I'll see you on my next project.